What's going on, guys? Right now we are back at the shop. Emilio brought his Supra over this morning. He had to borrow Brent's truck, but he brought his trailer and got it unloaded. So the Supra is here. The Honda is already inside from the other day.
Getting all the cars over here, man.
Yep. And today we are going to be working on the upstairs room inside of our little side of the shop. Emilio's uncle is over here as well. His name's Pedro, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, he knows what he's doing, so he's gonna be helping us today.
We'll let him do his thing.
Yeah, he's a friend. He does it all.
Yeah, he does.
So we're actually gonna be going over to Home Depot right now. We're gonna take the truck and we are going to be picking up some like tongue and groove, like snap together hardwood flooring. We're gonna get 2x4s. We are going to be framing the whole upstairs of that area. This whole thing is like a pole barn, so it has like these posts in the middle of the room, and instead of just painting over everything, the right way to do it and make it look nice would be to frame the whole room and drywall everything. We're gonna make it look really nice in there. So we gotta go over to Home Depot, get 2x4s, get drywall, and get any tools we might need. And yeah, Brent's also here as well. Everyone's just working right now. I'll keep you guys updated with what they're doing. Right now they're getting some panels nailed up to the wall behind me. It's coming along. We also have 2 fans that came down from California just to come say hi.
Yeah, so crazy. I just gave him the tour. Hooked them up.
You guys like it?
Yeah, it's wicked up there, man.
Yeah.
History in the making right there.
Now instead of the
In
video.
person it's way bigger than on the video.
Yeah, we see in the video, I was like, oh, there's a couple cars there, and you come in. Oh shit. This shit's huge. Yeah. Clean, man. I'm seeing all the cars in here, getting dyno. I'm like, man,
It's gonna be epic.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
good.
I want to show the dyno pit a little more. Oh dang, you guys got all that cut out too. I forgot about that.
Yeah. I'm opening it up, man. We're hard at work.
The dyno pit's drying up. Look at that. It's just about ready to go.
It's almost cured.
Yeah, so they also cut this top section out up here because Brent wants to put like plexiglass or something up there. So when he makes the little area upstairs, you'll be able to see over into the other bay area and watch them work on the cars and stuff. And then this wall's coming along.
That already just lightened it up so much. Like, it's getting brighter.
Well, yeah, and it's covering up all that old nasty stuff. Like, look at the wall underneath. It's all like stained and gross.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna look so good like that.
It's gonna look amazing. It's really looking good.
Hell yeah.
I'm not good at English, but I'm good at math.
No, you said 40?
Yeah.
40 times 14?
I'm not that good at math.
40 times 14, that's
40 times 14.
Go 40 times 10 first.
Yeah, it's fun.
560. 560. 560 square feet. Well, we're just gonna jump right into it and head over to Home Depot and start getting some things to start renovating our upstairs. So let's head over there.
Right.
Oh, I'm telling you, we gotta go to my property and go
Get a hot
buy.
dog or what?
I don't know, they look pretty good. I mean, I like that one.
I like it.
That one looks good and it's pretty cheap. $1.19 a square foot. This one's the only cheaper one, but the lighter color looks a lot better.
You don't like this color though?
I like it, but I like this one a little more, and it's only 20 cents a square foot more.
I do like that one.
Yeah, I like this one. Just go with that one. We had to set it on the floor and visualize it.
Kyle said build it here and then just take it all at once.
Yeah, you did.
Bro, this looks
79 cents. We were going to get a cart and we came across the cheap wood.
It'll be.
There it is. 79 cents a square foot.
That's the Boostedboiz style.
That's what we need. That's as close to eBay as it gets.
Honestly, I like this even better than the
Yeah,
other
I
one.
actually think that looks better. And it's cheaper.
Shit, cheaper is better.
Hell yeah, load it up. We need 600 square feet.
I don't have my eye protection on, dude. I always wear my eye protection. How many of these do we need? 30?
I'm the only one that can fit between here.
Oh, another fat joke?
Nah, it's a skinny joke.
That is a skinny joke. You want to get some muscles, you get that one. What is that, an AK-47, dog?
You have a license to buy that thing. Need a background check.
If we get a hold of it, because
Look at the freaking
Nozzle on that thing.
Jesus.
Got the extended tip.
Yeah, but that's
Excuse me, sir. That's the one?
Yep. Yeah, I missed it on video, but Emilio climbed all the way to the top just a little bit ago and he got yelled at by the employee.
I can't believe you missed that, bro.
I missed it, dude.
We'll just mud now, and then I'll do the finishing later, right? Yeah. Take that. And we need the drill bits for the
Yeah, this one's good. It's good. We came in here for toilet paper and look what we got. We got drywall, we got 2x4s, we got all kinds of stuff.
We still got your air compressor in the back from yesterday.
My what?
Your air compressor.
Oh, just throw it in the garbage. I'm about to get one of those when I...
There?
So let's get some real quick.
Yeah.
Were the brats or hot dogs?
Either or.
Dude, the hot dogs from Home Depot are fire.
Yeah?
Yeah, I used to always get them.
I'm about to get one right down now. Just don't take the back window out.
I'll try. I mean, no promises, but.
So we just got back from Home Depot, but we have to go back because we couldn't fit all the drywall that we got. So we're gonna unload everything that we have now, head back over and get all the drywall. And we should have everything we need, at least for today, to start working on the upstairs room. So me and Emilio just went back to pick up the rest of the drywall since we couldn't fit it all the first time. And Pedro's up here knocking it out with Roman. Already got the first little bit framed up. Just going at it. We were gone for like 2 minutes.
I think they're almost done. Not almost done, but yeah.
They're already on it.
Rewrap.
That nail gun just runs off this air compressor. This is Emilio's. So good thing we brought that from the shop too.
That's it, Poppy.
That's it, baby.
Yeah, so I guess we're going to frame a section out for a TV right here on this wall so that when we put a flat screen on the wall up here, that's what we plan on doing. We're gonna plan on putting like a sectional couch up here, have a TV right here. It's gonna sit flush into the wall so it's gonna look really nice and clean. So they'll be working on that once they get the easy frames out of the way.
You could put your Xbox in there too, though.
Yeah, get some Fortnite going.
Some Fortnite, you know, some Call of Duty.
Yeah, and then obviously a lot of you guys probably know why you have to frame the walls, because the drywall needs support, but you know, for those of you who may not know, you got to frame around before you do drywall.
Now you know.
And now you know, because you know, if you didn't have this, drywall snaps really easily. If you came up and leaned on it, it would just break. You couldn't hang anything from it. So, got to frame the whole room, but they are going at it. They're getting it knocked out.
It's gonna look good.
Yeah, it's gonna look really good.
No. Okay, I'm gonna get a large shirt though. How much are you, man? Dude, come on, man.
You guys came all the way out here, man.
Came all the way out here?
Free. Yeah. I mean, not that everyone.
Well, yeah, now everyone's
Everybody's gonna come out here. I know. I'm saying that. Look at that video, man. That's pretty wicked, though. That's what I'm saying. I'll come out here and I'll pay for it, even. You're good. How much, dude? You sure? Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, man. Appreciate it, dude. I appreciate you guys coming out. Thank you, man.
I'm wearing this all the way home.
I mean, you can help us frame up that room in there if you want to pay for them. Yeah, thanks for coming by.
Yep. We'll see you guys soon.
See you guys. I'll watch the light.
That light's gonna come down. We've almost hit it like 100 times before.
All right, so Pedro and Roman are working on the upstairs, getting all the framing done for the drywall, and me and Emilio aren't really much of a help to them because they're just going at it. So while they're doing that, we're going to start tearing this little fence down right here. Our original plan was just to hook a chain to this middle post right here. There's 3 posts. We're just gonna hook a chain to the middle one and then hook that behind the Duramax, and we're just gonna rip this thing out. But we don't have any chain. We do have some ratchet straps like for the dyno and like strapping cars down on trailers, but we don't want to snap one of those. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the posts pretty far through. They're like 4x4s. It's like really thick wood posts. We're gonna cut through those and then still hook it up to the truck and then drag it out of the way. And then there's also these 3 like really big steel posts that are concrete into the ground. We're not sure what these were for, but we're gonna have to take like a porta band. We have it hanging over there. We're gonna try to use that and cut those down at the base of the concrete, get those out of the way. But yeah, we're just gonna start clearing all this stuff out of the way. This post right here is already about to come off. We don't even need to hook it up to the truck.
Jesus.
There's that. It would have been way more cool to hook a chain to it though and just rip it out.
I need this for my property. I could have put this around my camper.
Yeah, you can still take it. You gotta take it tonight.
Heck is all this noise?
Getting rid of the privacy fence.
I'm like, half of it's gone already. And the truck didn't get rammed through it.
Nope.
Kind of disappointed.
It's only because we didn't find a chain. If we had a chain,
If we had a chain, I was gonna rip it out.
I thought he was gonna just drive through it.
I would if we didn't have those metal poles in the middle. Hit this thing about 60 miles an hour.
I asked Brenda, I was like, so you think those metal poles will stop a Ranger at 40?
I think so.
I think they'd stop it.
I think so too.
Probably front flip over it.
Yeah,
I'd
you'd
still
probably
try it,
die.
though.
I think I'm just gonna try like little slits in the front and then rip this one out with the truck. Going that way.
Good idea or no?
I think it's a good idea.
It's a perfect idea. Just make sure that it doesn't fly over the cab.
And into the back of the window.
Well, you're a body man too, so you're up next. I'm about to get knocked out.
Ooh, fucking flying off.
Kyle don't even say get out the way or nothing. He just gets. Oh, there it goes. Oh!
We got one more.
Oh! Oh, whoa!
I got nervous on that one, bro. Yeah, got it. Got it. Look at the metal. I know, it creaked a little.
How tight it got it.
Bro.
Dude, having a truck is dead.
It stood it up.
I'm good. With a drill and the screws. Yeah.
It's coming along.
So good. The whole place is just looking amazing.
Hey there. We gotta get a grinder.
Yeah, and just flatten it out.
A little more. Yeah, this should be good.
That cleared up a lot of space.
Oh, yeah.
A lot. Holy crap.
You can't know.
This one's all broken.
Hey, don't pass that drywall right there. Alright.
Way wild.
Yep, she's coming along.
Should we just put like a bowling alley down there?
Oh, stop. I was thinking pool table at the end.
You guys don't want that. You guys don't want that stress.
Didn't I beat you? Well, we're tied up still, right?
You guys just ignore that.
You guys won't ever get anything done.
The pool table should go right here.
Here's Roman and Emilio. Yeah, playing pool.
But yeah, guys, this is where we're calling it for tonight. Everything's all framed up. We just have to keep adding the drywall. Right now we didn't do any more because there's no outlets up here, so we need to run some outlets, and it's a lot easier to do that without the drywall. So we need an outlet right there, and then we need an outlet down here, because right now the only outlet up here is this guy. So we are going to want some outlets to plug things in as we're up here. And the windows have been framed around, and then this is the only section that hasn't been framed yet, because like we said earlier, we plan on putting a TV here. So we're gonna frame for the TV and have the TV sit in the wall. It'll look really nice and flush, and that'll look good. And then once all the drywall's done, after we get the electrical stuff done, you can start mudding over it, get it all smoothed out, start painting it, texture it, and it'll be ready to go. Yeah, Pedro and Roman knocked it out.
It's been a while since we fucking actually built walls and crazy rock and stuff. Flashbacks. I'm like, oh, this is why I got out of this.
You guys were getting in it.
Oh yeah, we knocked it out quick.
We
like
left you
3
guys
hours.
alone, dude. We were coming up here trying to help, and we're just getting kicked out the way. Do you, dog?
But hell yeah, and then we also got this pipe cut out of the way. That was the old drain for, we're not even sure, it like goes down next to the sink. Yeah, it's like some old sink vent or something, or the old toilet vent, something like that. So we have a whole new system, so we don't need that. Got that cut out of the way. That opened up the room a whole bunch because that was right in the middle. This is the vent for the hot water heater. We are going to reroute that. We're also going to reroute this one right here as well. This is a natural gas line. We're going to reroute all that into this wall right here. We're going to completely redo all this right here and run that inside, and it will be completely hidden. We'll show more of that obviously once we do it, but it's coming along. Got a lot done today.
It's looking good, dude.
Oh yeah, thank you guys so much. Knocked it out. Yeah, it's gonna be sweet.
VIP.
Hey, yeah, only VIPs allowed up here. We also got to replace these Edison light bulbs. They were installed when this thing was built. They're so old.
Those are so bright too, man.
I don't know how we didn't break them. They were swinging 2x4s around.
These lights are magical, dude. The wood was just swinging like this all day. There's like
some miracle. We also need to change the light switch out for these because they're on a timer right now downstairs, and every like 20 minutes they shut off. So we need to also add a light switch. But right now it's at the base of the stairs. We need to move the light switch like up here or something. But that's where we're at for tonight, guys. Getting her done, and then we also got all the hardwood floor as well that snaps together, and then that'll go in once we get all the walls done. But hell yeah. All right, guys, well, we're getting out of here for tonight. Brent also was working on this side as well. He got all these white panels done over here, so that's looking pretty good as well. They got all this cut out right there, and like we said earlier, he plans on having that open so people who are up here, once he builds his little loft, can see into the other end of the shop and just watch everything going on. So that'll be pretty cool. The dyno pit is pretty much fully dried, and Brent is leaving tonight actually, or tomorrow in the morning actually, I believe, and he will be back after this weekend, and then we'll probably wait for him, like I said, to get the dyno in. But that will be going in very soon. And then we got all that stuff done today up in the room. We took that fence out from outside and cut those metal poles out of the way. Show more of that during the daylight because right now it's dark out. Still need to sweep it, make it look nice, and then also grind the rest of the metal poles down because there's like a good inch sticking up because the portaband could only go so low. But yeah, making progress. It's gonna be it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and as always, thanks for watching. And Emilio got his super back.
Hell yeah, brother.